Hi, welcome to SME, SharePoint Made Easy. My name is Jill Brown, and today I'm going to show you how to use JSON to apply dynamic formatting to individual columns in a SharePoint list or library. In our tutorial today, we will learn how to apply formatting to fields in a column in your list based on the value in the field using JSON. Why would you want to color code rows in a SharePoint list? Well, in my example, I have a team of project managers who are providing project information via a centralized list. We want our department heads to view project metrics in a visual way. With JSON, we will color the fields dynamically, using a choice field's values to determine whether the field displays as green, white, yellow, orange, or red. The code provided also includes a visual indicator icon. Decision makers can quickly scan a list, easily spotting projects that are experiencing issues, no matter how the list is sorted or filtered. To follow along, you should have full control or owner-level permission for the list or library. The list should have a choice column that you will use to determine column formatting. In our example, we are using a choice column called Status with 5 options. You'll want to use Notepad or your favorite script editing application in order to edit the JSON more easily. Finally, the list must be in the modern experience. JSON formatting does not display in classic experience. Now that your list is ready, let's get started. The first step is to navigate to the list or library. Here I've created a list and I've named it My Project List. I've created several columns, but the one that we're going to be focusing on today is my choice column, which I've named Status. I added 5 options to my choice column: No Issues, Inactive, Warning, In Review, At Risk. Once my choice column has been created, I can format the column. Click the down arrow next to the column name. Navigate to Column Settings in the menu that appears, and select Format this column. We've got custom JSON code today, so we're going to use Advanced Mode at the bottom of the Format Column pane that appears. In the Format Column pane, we have a window for entering JSON code. I've provided JSON code for you in the accompanying blog. You can find the link in the description. I have the code open in Notepad++, so I'll exit full screen mode by pressing F11, and I'll use the Windows key and the left arrow key to enter split screen mode. And now I can see my code and my list side by side. And if you're going to be customizing code, I highly recommend using a program like Notepad++. It's a free program, and I've provided a download link in the description. The only customizations you'll need to do to the code in order to make it function are to replace the choice options with the choice options that you have used in your choice column. If you've used the same options as I have, you will not need to update these, but if you have different options, you'll want to go into the code and change them. You can see that the way the code is laid out, it's not too difficult to find the choice options that I have listed, and you'll just want to go through the code and replace any instances with your own options. You can scan through the code if you want and see that the options are listed twice, so you'll have to replace them in 2 places. Or if you're using Notepad or Notepad++, you can do a find and replace. Once your code is edited to reflect the options that you have for your choice column, you can copy the code. So I'm going to click Control A and Control C to copy. Go over to the Format Column pane, and I'm going to use Control V to paste and click Save. And we can see that the changes have already applied to our list. A formatted column will display with the formatting in any view, unlike the view formatting JSON that we've done in a previous video, where it is tied specifically to a view. We can test the dynamic formatting by entering Quick Edit mode and updating the values in the status field. Just going to switch a few of these here. And I'll exit Quick Edit mode. And we can see that the formatting updated dynamically according to the value of our status field. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed using JSON to format your columns in SharePoint. Please leave us a comment with any of your feedback or suggestions, and let us know how you fared with your solution. Did you have success? Maybe you ran into trouble spots you'd like to share with other users. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Click the bell icon to be notified of new videos. If you enjoyed this video, please consider donating $1 using the Buy Me a Coffee link in the description. This is Jill Brown for SME, SharePoint Made Easy. See you next time.